class before summer break! Yay! We have to celebrate! Everyone, let's go party! Yeah! What are you doing? The teacher's here! Oops! Is this a party? You can forget about parties. You failed your test, which means you're staying for summer school. Oh no! My summer plan is epic. Greetings! He's gone. Go ahead. You ready? I sure am. You gotta be careful. What was that? Interesting. Whoa! I also want it. Where's he going? The locker party is in full swing. Whoa! Check out the janitor dancing. I'm shook. Wow. Would you care to explain this? I'm leaving. Whoops! Classroom, now! Should we take a break and you can play hide and seek with us? Why not? You're it! No peeking! Run! It's been a long time since I played hide and seek. Oh, the other way! He's here! Let's take the elevator! No! It's him again! Run! Let's go back to the classroom. No one's there. Ah! How is he doing that? I never lose. Who's coming up to the board? Mark. Me? Fine. Write the answer? What is it, though? This one is super easy. Think. 2 plus 2 is... Somebody needs help. It's a mugger. They need a superhero. I'm on my way. Not so fast. You gotta solve this problem first. But I don't know the answer. Where's the superhero? Guys, do you know the right answer? Comment it down below. What's taking him so long? All right, we'll try again next time. My lenses are foggy. Here's an idea. The teacher left his glasses unattended. We gotta take this chance. Removing the lenses and... done! What's wrong with my glasses? I don't get it. I can't see anything. The plan worked. Come on. There must be something I can use in the box. No. Not this. Yes, a microscope. Just the thing. What in the world is that? What are you doing? Class isn't over yet. How come? Class already started, but the students are late again. You finally showed up. Take your seats. Is that cotton candy? I'm confiscating it. Whatever. Not cotton. Give it to me. My plan worked. It's been a long time since I ate this. Yummy. He can't see us. Run. Move it. Freeze. Where do you think you're going? Go back to your seats. You are all getting F's. What a stupid plan! I know what will keep you in place. There's no way you're escaping now. It's lunchtime. Delivery? I'd like to order a pizza. Who ordered food? Your pizza! Still hot! I need a second! Thanks! What about money? Sure, hold on. Where's my wallet? Mark, I have an idea. We'll sneak into the deliveries guy bag and break free. Sounds like a plan. Follow me. Whoa! There's enough room for everyone. Mark, hurry up. There it is. I got it. Do you take credit cards? Sure. Hide. Thanks for your order. Gotta go. Whoa! The backpack's so heavy! How did I not see that before? Pizza! Where did everyone go? I see! Delivery! I forgot to order sushi rolls! It's you again! Good thing I was nearby! Your order! Huh? Hello there! Nice try! Your seats, now! I am so confused. Thanks for the delivery. And all of you get Fs. I can bet $10 you won't make the trash can the first time. Challenge accepted. Ha! Bullseye! Thanks. Having fun again?
What?
Oh, a bet. Let me give it a shot.
Huh?
Say yes. I have an idea. I see. It's your turn. I can totally hit the can. What? How come? Another try. I missed. Something's off here. Oh, I see. You are plotting against me. Whoops. Run! I'm in trouble. It's plastic wrap.
Oops.
Gotcha. I outsmarted you. Everyone, back to your seats. Your endless escape attempts are exhausting me. No more of that. The door is locked during breaks. Who's calling? Hi, Miss Maisie. We're doing great. Nothing to worry about. Don't touch the glass. I just wiped it. We gotta unlock the door. The key's in the desk drawer. But which one of them is the right one? Guys, which of these keys unlocks the door? What keychain color do we go for? Comment below. Why are you so stressed? I didn't do anything. Equals 46. Did you get that? Yeah! Next sum. Hold on. Where's Mark? Who?
Huh?
No idea. That's weird. Okay, let's move on. Look at this. Oh, I figured it out. Mark, you get an F. No! Another F. I'm about to pass out. How boring. I'm so sleepy. And I'm not the only one. Cool idea. A bedtime story. I'll read it so the teacher falls asleep faster. It was the middle of winter. Fluffy snowflakes were falling. The queen was sitting by the window. I think it worked. He's asleep. It really worked. Molly, let's go. I want to know what happened to Snow White afterwards. The queen went to the secret chamber and prepared a poisonous apple. Oh boy! What a suspense! But then a prince came to the forest. What's this noise? Quiet! Let me finish! Shh! It's so hot in here! I can't take it anymore! I wish I was at a pool! I know! Let's turn the fan on!
Oh!
Right! It doesn't work though! It does! Yay! That was hilarious! We should get out of here! Not so fast! Go back to your desk! Not hot anymore? No? Whoa! Down the slide, right into the pool! I'm having a ball! What's wrong with him? Mark, wake up! Was I dreaming?
Huh?
Now you're not! An F! Write down the essay topic! Holly,
Huh?
where are you headed? The bell hasn't rung yet! It doesn't matter! I gotta go! Bye, y'all! Move! Holly? My own secret beach! Hello! Interesting! I'm excited to announce that everyone aced their test! Yay! We did our best! I am so proud of you! Our classes are over! Hang on! What about the party? The what? The summer party! Yeah! We earned it!